Hi friends, it's a beautiful day to be alive. I didn't even plan on making a video right now, but I was sitting here looking at these amazing, I don't know what to call them, that I made on the live last week. I just created them. I gave myself a 3-minute challenge to create them. And I thought, ooh, these would make a great masterboard. I want to make the most epic masterboard ever. Okay, let's get into it. Go grab your scraps. Go grab some glue, scissors, paper. Let's play.
Okay, so first thing we're gonna do is connect these two pages so we have a big, epic masterboard. We are connecting these pages because we want a large real estate to work with. We want drama.
There we have it. I think we're good, friends. So now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna rip up this map and I'm just gonna tear it up and lay it down in different spaces.
Oh, friends, this video is a hot mess. My head is cut off. My face is all up in your face. I just wanted to get some stuff out to you, knowing that we would be traveling. I'm so glad I did that. The previous 2 videos that you all have seen were filmed before we left. This video was filmed June 4th. And let me tell you, that's the best thing I could have done because we've been back for a week and I haven't been in the mood to film and we're leaving again. And so please give this a thumbs up, me looking out for my happy friends knowing that we'd be gone. So I'm happy to get some new videos out to you all when we get back. Yay! And if this is your first time watching, I promise it's not always this wonky and bootleg. Please subscribe. I have so many more unique projects coming up and you'll get to see what I end up making with this amazing epic masterboard.
So remember that review that I did for Bleds last year? I'm gonna be using some of their stuff as well.
Okay, friends, I am so super duper excited. I can't say it enough. Oh my goodness, I cannot wait for you all to see what I made with this one epic masterboard. Trust me, you cannot predict it. I am going to show you how you can take one masterboard and just create magic. Stay tuned, friends.
I'm liking what I have so far. So now I'm gonna bring in what I made on the live and you're gonna see how I incorporate everything.
I just wanted to take a little moment to say that I appreciate you all so much. You all show me so much love and support, and I am so filled with gratitude. I am so happy to have such an amazing community of happy friends. Oh my gosh, thank you so much for being a part of my community, a part of my channel, and just know that I am working super hard to get some really fun, creative, unique projects out to you all. Thank you, friends.
Now I'm gonna add scrap paper.
Oh, friends, my camera ended up going out while I was filming. I didn't realize it. until I was editing. And so this is the final product. Oh my gosh, the final creation. Let's look at it, friends. Oh, it is so beautiful. It is so big, which is what I wanted. And I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope you have a juicy day knowing you are loved and your life matters. Make your life a masterpiece, friends. I hope you have an amazing 4th of July weekend. I cannot wait for us to get back so I can, oh my gosh, show you all what I made with it. And I have so many other amazing, unique projects coming up. So friends, please stay tuned and I will see you all soon. Bye.